Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download netmirror on Android. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Type in netmirror. It's going to bring out something like this. All you have to do is to click on the install option here in order to install it to your device. Let's know about the app. So this app allows you to download and have access to it without registering or preparing any login details. You can just find out about the app, the version. You can see it here. It was updated 6th May 2026 and already have 5,000 download, and then it has 10.63 MB. Android 7.0 and up. From Android 7.0 and up can download this app. So you can see the bright lens app, and then you can see every compatibility of it and how it works. So guys, that is it about this app. It's an ultimate streaming guide for movie and TV show. So it's a good app. All you have to do is just click on the install option to install it on your device, and it will work very well for you. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that speak money. Thanks for watching.